No, ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് ഇപ്പം ഞാൻ ശരിയാക്കിയെന്ന് നോക്കട്ടോ. Good morning. Now can you all see me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, children, shall we all start our class with a prayer? Join your hands, everybody. Thank you. Okay. Close your eyes. Our dear Father in heaven, we thank thee for this wonderful morning. We surrender each one of us into thy hands. Dear Father, bless us, guide us, guard us, give us thy spirit, give us thy knowledge, give us thy wisdom, so that we may serve thee. Dear Father, bless our parents, teachers, and all our friends and their families. Bless the people who are suffering from coronavirus and all the people who are in the mission of treating them. We ask all these things humbly in thy precious name. Amen. Okay, children. Uh, so let's start the class with the song. Are you ready for the singing the song?
Yes.
Yes? Have you all learned the words One Spring Flower? Yes? Can we sing that? Okay. One spring flower, a week in fresh and new. Out popped another. They wait two. Two spring flowers were turning with the bee. Out popped another, and they wait three. Three spring flowers. Watch a birdie soar, watch a birdie soar. Out popped another, and they weigh four. Four spring flowers, four spring flowers, so happy and alive. Out popped another, and they weigh five. Five spring flowers, five spring flowers, so pretty. So pretty. Open your mouth and sing. Five spring flowers, five spring flowers for you and me, for you and me. Okay, give me that beautiful smile. Let me see all of you giving me a beautiful smile. Are you all tensed? Yes, are you all tensed because there is a test? What is a test, children? What is test? Test nu parna enda. What is test? It is what you have learned all these days. Ma'am will ask you. So whatever you have learned, you will give the answers. Okay? So don't get scared. Let your mummy and daddy get scared, not you. Okay? Yes, I know some of your mummies would have just told you, Nancy ma'am is coming with the test. Nancy ma'am is coming with the test. Be ready, be ready, be ready. Did they tell you? Yes, and many of you, I can see that scaredness in your face. Don't get scared. Okay, test is something very easy. It's all what you have learned. I know you all know that. Every day you're writing it. Yes, so you children can take it very easily. Ready for the test? Okay, so don't get scared. Whatever you know, you write it. Okay, if it goes wrong, it's okay to get it wrong, and you can go and check where you have not understood. മനസ്സിലായോ? തെറ്റിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് കുഴപ്പമില്ല. Let's go and study one more time and write it again. It's okay. After my class, you can. Now, everybody take your English notebook. Take your English notebook. Yes. Have you all taken the... Take your pencil. Let's write the date. 24/11. I'm sharing my screen. Please watch. Okay, now you can all write here on top 24/11. Ready? And let's write here on top test. T-E-S-T. Test. Ready for the test? If your children can write, parents let them write this test. Children read it. T-E-S-T. Test. Let's have a test. Okay, ready everyone? Now write, you have a margin here, right? So write there number 1. The first one, please write number 1. Are you ready? So Nancy ma'am is going to tell you the first one is rat. Your mummy's best friend in the kitchen. Rat. Got it? Say and write. Don't mute your mics. Keep it muted only. Don't unmute it. Listen to what ma'am is telling and write. Rat. At. Sorry. Number 2. Write number 2. Fan. You will write fan. The ceiling fan. Right. Number 2 is fan. Number 3. Ready for number 3? If you have finished the second one, please look at the camera so I understand you have finished. Okay? Once you finish, children, look at Nancy ma'am on the camera. Okay. Some of you are still writing, that's why I'm waiting. Number 3, it's map. Dora's, Krishank's sister, you don't write, I want him to write. This is a test for him. Okay? If you want to keep it, I think you have a low network. If you're not able to get me properly, you can write it in a piece of paper on the next side. Don't show it to him. You can dictate him. Okay? But you don't write it in his book. I don't want your writing there. I want him to take the test. Number 3, map. Dora's map. Once you finish, look at ma'am on the screen so that I get to know that you've all finished. Number 4.
Map it, Daddy.
Finished map? I see many of you looking at me, so I'm going for the 4th one. Number 4, bag. Mummy's handbag or my school bag. 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 Right, Srinidhi? Bag. Say and write. Okay? Very easy. Right. Bag. Finished? Bag. Sahesh, Sasha, Tarish, don't show to each other, okay? Close it. If you're finished, close it. Okay. Finished bag? The next one is meow. Cat. Cat. The next one, 5th one is cat. Cat. The 5th one is cat. Parents, I think 2 of the children are having poor network coverage. I think they're not following what I'm trying to tell you. So what I'll do is I am just drawing it for them. Others can continue writing so you get to know what I'm trying to tell them. Okay? I don't want to do it. We do it for name or name it. Yes?
My sister didn't heard the first and second question.
Yeah, sure. That's what I'm going to draw it here. So those who did not get it can understand what was the word. Okay, the first one is this one. Rat. The second one was, what is this? Fan. Okay, and third one was, I'm trying to draw a map. Okay. And the 4th one, parents, I'm drawing it here. Your children will follow me. Tell them to write it down because if I'm going down, this page will move away. That's why I'm not going to the next one. The 4th one will be a bag. Fifth one was a cat. Sixth one, everybody ready? It is ran. Ran. Sixth one was ran. Finished, Nasaha, Afsil, Nathaniel, Sahish, Sasha, and Sarish. Finished? Ethan? Yes. Number 7 is a tap. Number 7 is a tap. Number 7 is a tap. Number 8. Number 8 is a wag. Number 8 is a wag. 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 Number 8 is a wag. Number 9. Number 9 is a flag. Number 9 is a flag. Flag. You know the spelling of flag. So listen to the sound, what comes in the front. F. Flag. 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 Finished? And then number 10 is clap. Sorry. Hope I'm not able to draw that. Number 10 is clap. If you all finish, please show me a thumbs up. Please show me a thumbs up. Okay, 1, 2. Finished? 3. Okay, now I'm reading it one more time. Please check if you have got it in the order. Okay, please check, parents. The first one is rat. Second one is fan. The third one is, okay, let's do something. You can correct your child's book if they have written it. Okay, shall we do it? Please do the correction. The first one is rat. Keep your mics muted. The second one is fan. Third one is map. Dora's map. The fourth one is bag. Bag. Fifth one is cat. Sixth one is ran. Ran. Number 7 is tap. Number 7 is tap. Number 8 is wag. Wag. Number 9 is a flag. And then number 10 is clap. Finished? Okay, come to the next page. I'm drawing 2 pictures. I want you to write the sentence for that. Okay, children? I will be drawing a picture. You please write what are the sentence, okay? Part 2, it's making sentence. Yes. Number 1. Look at the picture carefully.
Ma'am, it is ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Give me the name.
My Krishan's book is finished.
Sister, you please call me after the class. What we will do is, I think you have a poor network coverage. I can see you not getting the range. You keep going and coming in. So let's do one thing. You take over. You ask him to write for the sentence, and the rest of it, I'll talk to you after class. Okay? You can call me after 12. That's okay. Children, others, please write the sentence for the first picture. What do you see there? You all see a mat and a cat. Please make a sentence with that. And the second picture, yes, you see a man and a van. Please make a sentence for that too. Okay, first one, make a sentence. Write number 1 and please write the sentence. Once you finish it, leave a line, go to the next. Write number 2 and please write the sentence for the second one. Finished, Ethan, Angel Mary, Sahish. Nathaniel, what about you? I would like to see your sentence making. Nathaniel, are you writing the sentence? I don't see you writing. Zehra finished. Issa, Arav, Elaine, Bia, Raya. Try writing, Raya. Raya, try writing. Amaya, Abel, Daksh Krishna, Orville and Wilbur, Ayush, Mia, finished? Ayush finished? Show me a thumbs up if you have done it. Yes. It's in, okay. Okay. So Ayush grandfather, when he's writing sentence, please don't draw the columns there, okay? In that page, let them know it as a sentence or else they will learn it like that. Okay, I think you have drawn the columns there for the sentence making page. When they write sentence, please do not draw the columns. It should be a sentence. Okay, I meant this columns. We draw columns only for the words. Okay, when they write sentence, please, that columns should not be there. Okay, Mahadev finished. Everybody, it's okay now. It's okay for now. I'm just told you. Finished, everybody? Amran, you didn't get it? That's why you're crying? Amran, it's okay. Amran's mother, please take over the words. Once, make her thorough with the words again. And then if she has got it wrong, you can give the test after making her study it. Okay? Okay. Dhyan Jayesh, please write the sentence. I see you drawing pictures. I don't want you to draw pictures. Dhyan, write the sentence. What is the first? No, it's okay. If you have drawn, it's okay. Write the sentence, Dhyan. Write the word. What do you see there in the picture? Write that. We make sentence, right? Yes, write sentence and show me. Very good. You have tried drawing it. Very nice. So parents, you can give the correction. You can do the correction. The first sentence is a cat on a mat. If your children have written it with a capital letter and ended it with a full stop, give full 1 mark. Otherwise, please take away half mark. And if the words are wrong, then don't give the mark. The second one is a man in a van. Priya Vino, ask your mommy to correct it for you, your grandmother to correct it for you. Or if you, yes, a man in a van. Angel Mary finished? Somebody is correcting it for you. You have to start the sentence with a capital letter and end it with a full stop. Done? Okay, thank you. So parents, please give the mark for the words. It's out of 10. Please record all this and keep, because this will be the pattern for the exam paper when it comes towards the year end. Okay, so this is for you to have an idea how the paper comes in English. Okay, next session, children, next class, I will be having a math test. Okay, writing numbers from 1 to 50 and number names. I will be asking you to write number names from ONE1 till 20. Okay? It can be a missing letter. I may ask you to write from the order of 11 to 20. So be thorough with whatever you have learned. Okay, next session, maybe on Thursday, we will have max test. So prepare on max. Now keep your books closed. Now look at the screen. Nancy ma'am would like to give you few more informations about birds. Shall we do it? Yes? Okay. How many of you got full on full? 12 on, sorry, yes, 12 on 12. Can you please put your hands up? Mahadev, Zahra got everything right? Sasha got? No? Dhyan, did somebody correct your paper, Dhyan? Tell mommy to correct it. What about Namasvi? Srinidhi got everything right? What about Namasvi? You made mistake? Ira got everything right? Good. Okay. Children, show me your books. I would like to see your books if everything is corrected. Can you please all show me your books where you went wrong? Ayush got everything right? Daksh, Via, Ethan, yes. Sahesh, Sasha, Alazia, Zehra, Arav, Ethan, Sarish. Okay. Isa, where did you make wrong, Ethan, in sentence? Okay. Amaya, good. Elaine?
Class and
Ira, yes. Namaswi, Nasaha, Mia, Srinidhi, Amran. Krishang, what about your book? You didn't take the test? Okay, call me after class. Aitana? Okay. Aitana, did you take the test? I don't see your video on. Please put it on. Okay, children. Angel Mary, everything. Put your books down. Okay. Children, put your books down and look at Nancy ma'am. Today, ma'am has got 3 more birds for introducing. Okay. Now look at ma'am and see, can you guess what bird am I showing you? Okay, can you guess this bird? What is this bird? What is this bird?
hen.
Excellent. Who said that? Who was that?
Hen.
Ethan gave me the answer. Okay. It's a silhouette of it's the silhouette of the hen. Okay. Yes, hen is a bird which we see commonly around our areas. Okay. Maybe it is in your house. Yes, some birds are kept for their egg and meat. Okay. We keep some birds as pets, or sometimes some birds are kept for giving egg and meat. One such bird is hen. Okay, the mother hen, the girl bird of this is called hen, and the boy is called cock or rooster. Okay, the boy is called the rooster or the cock. Okay, the second one more bird I would like to show you. What is this bird? What is this bird?
Duck.
Duck. Yes, duck. Okay, this is duck. Okay, and duck is also kept in our house for their eggs and also meat. Okay, we eat their meat. Okay, every Sunday do you eat chicken? Mommy makes nice chicken with hen, chicken curry and all that. You make. Okay, why do we say chicken? Actually, hen's baby is called chicken. Okay, do you know that? Hen's baby is called chicken. The small chicks. Okay, the baby hen is called chicken. Yes, but we usually say let's buy chicken. Yes, don't we say that? Yes. So this is mother hen, and the daddy hen is called rooster. What is daddy hen called, children? Rooster. Okay, and have you seen that it has got a red hood on the head. Okay, even the hen has it, and it has colorful feathers. Okay, the rooster has the colorful feathers, and in the morning the rooster comes and wakes up. Sometimes if you have roosters in your house, it comes and say cock-a-doodle-doo. What does the sound it makes in the morning? And what the sound called? Cock-a-doodle-doo, but it says cuckoo. Everybody make that sound. What does it say? How does it wake you? It doesn't come and say, Via Vinu, wake up. Dakshpillai, wake up. Alazia, wake up. It doesn't say that. Nathaniel, wake up. It doesn't say that. Instead, how does it make a sound? Kukurikoo. Yes, it comes and wakes you up in the morning. Okay, and a cock and a hen, we usually have it in our house. Yes, and the hen gives us eggs. Okay, hen gives us eggs, and we also eat the meat of the hen. Okay, same way in some of the houses we have duck also. Okay, duck is also kept for eggs and their meat. And the duck is a bird which loves to live in water. Okay, it needs water, it needs to take bath in the pond. If you have a small pond, the ducks keep playing in the water. It eats small fishes, it eats all the what you call the worms in the ground. Even a hen, what does a hen eat, children? Do you know what hen eats? Today you must observe. If you have hens in your house, go out and see what the hen is eating. It will with the legs, it will dig the sand. Okay, and it will eat small worms and small insects from the ground. Okay, and it eats small plants, it small ants, it eats small what you call grains. Okay, the wheat, grains, something, whatever you feed it on, it eats that. Okay, and one more bird ma'am would like to show you is, can you guess what bird is this? It is usually, it comes in your house. Okay, it comes in black color. We have, yes, and what sound does it make? Yes, it makes ka ka. Yes, ka ka. It makes that sound all the time. Yes, yes, it makes ka ka sound. Okay, and whatever you, whenever it finds you with some biscuits or something, it comes around and picks the things which you put, maybe biscuits, maybe rice, whatever you keep there. If mummy is cleaning fish, it will come and sit there to take all the waste. Yes. So today we have learned 3 common birds which we usually see. Common birds, Nanda, whatever birds which we usually see. It's not rare. We see it every time. So one such bird is crow. What's the spelling of crow? C-R-O-W. If you all have your textbook, please parents point out to the crow. The first bird is crow. C-R-O-W, crow. Okay? C-R-O-W, crow. The next one, the next bird is hen. Okay, please point out to hen and show them the hen bird, because I have chosen the birds which is common and also the spellings which is easy for them to learn. So hen. Okay, everybody look at, touch hen and say H-E-N, hen. The next one is another bird which we keep for eggs and meat. It's called duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Okay, D-U-C-K. We will write it and learn the spelling. Before that, everybody look at ma'am. Let me tell you one more thing. Avinash, Rajit, you may please leave to give me 5 more minutes. I think you're in fifth standard. Avinash, Ranjit, please, you may leave the session. This is not the session for fifth standard. Okay, so children, others, let's see. Birds, okay? Birds, where do they live, children? Do you know where they live, birds? Where do they live, birds? You know where they live? They live the nest. Can you see the picture which ma'am is showing you? Look at this screen camera. Look at your screen. Can you see?
Yes.
Can you see a nest here? Yes. The birds make nest. What do they make? They make nest. Okay. And how do they make nest, children? Do you know how do they make nest? With small the box, small wood pieces. They may take feathers. Keep your mics muted. Okay, I'll do it. Okay, they take small the twigs which fall from the trees. Okay, maritanna veena small twigs, they pick it from ground and they go keep it on the they make a beautiful nest, and inside the nest they keep eggs. They lay eggs there. What do? They lay eggs, mottidam. Okay, and the mother bird sits on the egg Okay, it will not break. Okay, why is it sitting on the egg? And then Amma is sitting on the egg. Why does the mother bird come and sit on the egg? Because to give it warm, keep it warm, and after a few days you may see the eggs hatching out. What is hatching? It opens. Okay, after mummy bird giving it, sitting on it and giving a warm, keeping it warm, after few days the egg will break and small baby bird come out from that egg. Okay, and what happens? That is called hatching. Okay, after hatching, the mummy bird takes the role of bringing the mummy and papa both. They will fly around and they get food and they keep it on the inside the beak of the birds. Do birds have teeth, children? Do they have teeth? Do the birds have teeth? Pallundo birds. Have you seen? Today you will observe. Okay, go see if hen is having, duck is having, crow is having. Do they have teeth? No, no birds will have teeth. They don't have teeth like us. Okay, they have is their beak. Okay, so the mama bird comes and puts all the can you see the insect here? Can you see the insect here? Mama bird is taking an insect. Can you see a small fly in the mouth of the mama bird? Yes, it takes it and it brings it to the mouth of the baby bird. Okay, and the baby bird is waiting. The baby bird is waiting to open the mouth. Okay, and the mama bird comes and puts the food inside the mouth of the baby bird. Okay, and the baby bird starts eating. Okay, like how mummy makes food for you and she comes and feeds you when you were small. Yes, like how your mummy is taking care, even the birds, mother birds, take care of their little ones. Okay, today you have learnt two facts. One is birds don't have teeth. Second thing, birds, where do they live? They live in a nest. Who makes nest? Your mummy and daddy makes a nest for birds. Mia, does your mummy climb the tree and she keeps nest for birds? Does she make? No. Then who makes nest? Who keeps house for birds? Who keep it? Mama birds and the daddy bird. They will fly around. They will, when it's time to lay eggs, they go pick twigs, small twigs, small tree means twigs. Parents, if you see, this is a time I see near my house, I see crows coming and collecting twigs. So you can also show them if you have some birds around when they're collecting twigs. You can show your children how they form, how they pick and go. Okay, so they make a beautiful nest. They keep feathers in it. They keep all the whatever they find. They go keep it inside the nest and make it very strong. Once it is strong, very comfortable nest, they lay eggs in it. Okay, and the mama bird sits on the egg and then she hatches it out and the beautiful baby bird comes out. And the baby bird cannot fly immediately. Okay, they will be inside the nest for a while. Meanwhile, mama bird and papa bird will fly around and get food for them. And they keep it in the mouth of the bird. Okay, so these are the two facts. And children, okay, so let's learn the spelling of three birds alone today. Okay, now I will be writing it. You just watch. After my class, you can write it in the notebook. Okay, today we are learning only the three spellings. Okay, the first one will be hen. What are we learning? Hen. So, okay, let's start with the capital cursive letters. Okay, H, E, N, hen. Okay, since you have learned this H, today we will be writing this one. Okay, how do we write, children? H, E, N, hen. You may write it downwards. Okay, after that, the second bird will be duck. We are learning duck. D, U, C, K, duck. Children, actually bird's name should be written in capital letters, but ma'am is teaching you this because you have learned, you're comfortable with these letters. So let's practice this. Okay, that's why I'm giving you small letters. So please write D-U-C-K, duck. The third one will be crow. C-R-O-W. So today you will learn only these three words. Okay, the first one is hen. H-E-N, hen. Repeat after me. H-E-N, hen. The second one is duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Did you see how I wrote? D-U-C-K, K, duck. Okay. And the third one is crow. C-R-O-W, crow. Okay. So these three spellings I want you to write in your EVS book and learn it. Okay, children? Yes. And the next class, I will give you 2 more facts about the birds. Okay. See you all in the next session. Bye-bye.